Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily clear cache on iPhone. So first way you can also do it is just pressing home button until you will see here slide to power off. So just slide to power off, and just after you need to click on power to restore your phone. And also another way you can try, it's just clicking 2 times on home button. So you will see here all the apps you had open. So you just need to swipe up on every app, and just doing this on all app you see here, and it will successfully clear all your cache that your apps also took from your memory. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.